Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed YouTube videos on X. So there is no direct method to embed YouTube videos on X, so we are going to use indirect method. So first we are going to open YouTube and we are going to click on three dots, and here we need to go on share and click on copy link. Then we need to go back and we are going to open X, and once we open X, click on plus icon in the right bottom, click on post and share something and add the link. That is the only method possible. There is no other method possible that we are going to use. And then you need to click on post on the top right. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.